All right, the boys want to try a burping challenge. Let's see who can do the best burp. We're going to start over here with Jesse. Everybody's going to get 3 turns. Okay.
No, it did not. That did not count, Mama.
Make a burp, Jamesy. Good job. All right, Jess, burp number 2. Good one. Joey. All right, Jamesy, burp number 2. Good job. All right, Jess, this is your final burp. Make it a good one. Good. All right. Wow. All right, 3 different burps from 3 different boys.
Me.
Comment number 1 for Jesse if you think his burp was the best.
Me.
Number 2 for Joey if you think his burps were the best. And number 3 for Jamesy if you think his burps were the best. Thanks for watching.
I think mine was the best.